జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. సుందరకాండ. Hanuma, if Rama and Lakshmana both are together in the battlefield, Devatas, all of them together also cannot face them. Such great Rama and Lakshmana, Kimardham Mam Upekshataha, why they are not protecting me? Like that, Sitamma asking Hanuma. Sitamma saying to Hanuma, "Oh Hanuma, Rama and Lakshmana not reacting, not coming here. They are not protecting me. They are delaying in protecting me. That means probably mamaiva dushkrutam kinchit mahadastina samsayah. Probably I have done a big sin. That is why they are not responding and they are not showing interest in protecting me. Samardhavapi tau yanmam navekshete parantapau." They are very much strong enough and courage enough to kill all these demons and protect me, but they are not doing that. That means I have done a big sin. Like that, Sitamma, while saying to Hanuma, Sasrubhashitam, Sitamma moving to tears. Immediately Hanuma started consoling Sita Devi and saying that, "Oh Sita Devi, do not think like that, please. Rama has nothing in his mind other than coming here and taking you away from here. He is thinking about you all the time. He is crying. Oh Sita Devi, I am telling you the truth. Please trust me, I swear. And also, because Rama is crying for you, Rame dukkhabhipanne cha Lakshmana paritapyate." When Rama is crying, Lakshmana is also crying. Amma, Sita Devi, both of them putting all of their effort in getting you away from here as soon as possible. They are making every effort. In that process, I am here. To come here, I put all of my effort, Sita Devi. Now this is not time for you to cry anymore. Soon you are going to be getting out of all these sufferings and pains and troubles. Oh Sita Devi, just keep your eyes wide open. Soon the strong and the great Rama and Lakshmana is going to be coming here and burn this entire Lanka into ashes. They are that much enthusiastic to come here and see you and get you away from here, Sita Devi. Soon Rama is going to kill Ravana. Soon Rama is going to kill all these demons and take you home. Amma, Sita Devi, now tell me, when I go back, what do you want me to tell Rama on your behalf? Bruhi ed Raghavo vachyo Lakshmanascha mahabalaha Sugrivo vapi harayopi samagataha. What do you want me to tell Rama? What do you want me to tell Lakshmana on your behalf? What do you want me to tell Sugriva on your behalf? What do you want me to tell all the Vanaras on your behalf? Oh Sitamma, please tell me. Like that, Hanuma requesting Sita Devi. Hanuma saying to Sita Devi like this, "Oh Sitamma, after I go back, what do you want me to tell Rama, Lakshmana, Sugriva and all the Vanaras on your behalf?" When Hanuma asked like that, Sitamma immediately moved to tears, and while the tears are rolling in the eyes, Sitamma saying to Hanuma like this, "Oh Hanuma, Kausalya lokabhartaram sushuveyam manasvini tammamardhe sukham prucha sirasacha abhivadaya." Please tell Rama that I am doing namaskaram. I am bowing my head to Rama, who is the son of Kausalya Devi, who is the master of all the worlds. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. ರಾಮ ರಾಮ ದಶರಥ ರಾಮ 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 ದಶರಥ ರಾಮ ಹೇ ಹೇ ರಾಜ ರಾಮ ಹೇ ಹೇ ರಾಜ ರಾಮ ಹೇ ಹೇ ಸೀತಾರಾಮ ಹೇ ಹೇ ಸೀತಾರಾಮ. Jai Srimanarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Srimanarayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimanarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana.